Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I'm back with a PandaHall Selected stamp, die set, and stamping tool platform review. I've laid out a few of these stamps already and I'm going to stamp it on some plain cardstock, and then we'll have a closer look at what they look like after. So here it is, guys. Look at how clear that came onto the page. I love these stamps. They're super clear and beautiful. And in terms of testing the stamps, I also love if they pull off easily but still cling really nicely to your acrylic block or any stamping platform like this. Now I love that this one has some grid lines. It's a great way to guide you to align your stamp. And we are going to apply some ink and then stamp it on that piece of paper. So here I am putting some ink on, and then I tilt it forward and put some of that ink there by mistake. So I'm just going to wipe it off with a little bit of a damp paper towel, and it comes off easily. I'm just going to re-ink it. And then again, oh my gosh, I did it again. There's a little bit of ink there, but no problem. Let's have a look and see what this looks like, and it came out really beautifully. Now in terms of the coordinating dies, they cut really beautifully as well, as you can see here. And here are the spring stamps that I got from PandaHall. They are beautiful. They are so cute. I love it. Overall, really happy with all of these items here. As you saw earlier, the stamp's impressions were very clear and really cute. These images are so adorable. They were easy to pull off from this plastic little sheet. I bought some stamps from Daiso, and they were so hard to pull off. I've had some that I got from AliExpress, for example, and they don't quite come off this sheet easily, and they don't stick to your acrylic block or stamping block. So for this one, I was impressed that it held on really quickly. This is really cool because it's portable and compact, so you can take it on the go, store it at your desk, and it doesn't take a lot of space. But I will say that it is smaller, and it's perfect when you're making ephemera, working with your tags, and doing some card making. This would be the perfect size. Even maybe for smaller envelopes, I think this would be a perfect stamping tool. So that is it, guys. If you are interested, I'll have a little code down in the description box with all the links to all these items that I've reviewed today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next time I'll be sharing more project shares, so stay tuned. Thanks again for watching Karamia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.